Hi everybody, it is worksheet or printout A-24 today.
You'll find the worksheet for this video in the description below.
And yes, we're going to be looking at some punctuation again. And remember, I said punctuation and grammar is probably not your favourite subject, but if you learn it in a fun way, it kind of starts to make sense. And that's what we're going to do today. The saying of today is, I will always try my best. It would be a very quiet world if no birds sang except the ones that sang the best. So you can have a look at your sheet, and at the top, underneath the saying of today, it says full stops. And this is a little poem I made up, and you can see on your worksheets there are some hands clapping. Whenever you see a symbol that looks like that, it means you clap your hands. So let's do the first bit up the top in blue. It says, when you see a full stop, clap your hands. This little dot loves his fans. So every time you see one, clap your hands. Let's do it again. Do you know why we're clapping? We're clapping because it's just enough time to clap your hands, have a little breath, a little pause, and then get ready to say the next sentence. So every time you see a full stop, think of it like little hands clapping. All right, and it gives you a bit of an idea, oh, I've got to take a break now. Let's do that part in blue again. If you like, you can read it with your eyes while I say it, or you can just watch me. You can decide. Are you ready? When you see a full stop, clap your hands. This little dot loves his fans. So every time you see one, clap your hands. Get the idea? Full stop, a little clap. Now, I don't want you to sit in your classroom or at your workplace clapping your hands, but in your head, I want you to start thinking, oh, it's a full stop. I have to take a little breath. Or I'd be clapping my hands if I was actually doing it. So just think about it. Okay, we're going to go on to the next part of this session now, which is another little poem that I've made up, which has got some rhyming words in it again, but it's also got full stops and clapping. Just to remind you, every time you see a full stop, clap your hands. Now for the second part of this tutorial. Down the bottom, in the light grey, it says, I have a hat. My hat is red. I have a red hat on my head. My red hat is old. My red hat is bold. My old bold red hat stops me getting cold. Every clap was a full stop. Every clap, I stopped at the end of the sentence and started a new sentence. Let's have another go again. Do you like this hat? Let's do it again. Remember, listen for those full stops. Let's go. I have a hat. My hat is red. I have a red hat on my head. My red hat is old. My red hat is bold. My old bold red hat stops me getting cold. Time for a new hat. Don't forget to clap with me. If I have to look silly like this, you have to clap. Are you ready? I have a hat. My hat is red. I have a red hat on my head. My red hat is old. My red hat is bold. My old bold red hat stops me getting cold. This was my hat from when I was a lifesaver. So they are very handy, a little bit silly, but great for sun. Okay, guess who my boys follow in the soccer? I'm guessing you have a pretty good idea. Are you ready? I have a hat. My hat is red. I have a red hat on my head. My red hat is old. My red hat is bold. My old, bold red hat stops me getting cold. This hat follows the Manchester United Soccer Club over in the UK. Did you used to make towel hats like this at the swimming pool? I did. Pretty cool, hey? Ready? Remember, you have to clap. Remember, we're looking at the end of those sentences and where they come. Let's go. I have a hat. My hat is red. I have a red hat on my head. My red hat is old. My red hat is bold. My old, bold red hat stops me getting cold. Did you know that anything can be a hat? Even an old box on my head? Are you ready to clap? Sentences. Full stops. Let's go. I have a hat. My hat is red. I have a red hat on my head. My red hat is old. My red hat is bold. My old, bold red hat stops me getting cold. So now I am sure you're starting to understand a little bit more about full stops. If you see a full stop, just think in your head, oh, it's like a clap at the end of a sentence. So when you see a full stop, clap your hands. This little dot loves his fans. So every time you see one, clap your hands. So remember my poem about the red hats, and remember every time you see a full stop, think in your head, I have to clap. Have a great day, and I'll see you very soon, and bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Now you have watched A-24, your next video is A-25. Would you like free access to level A and B of the 10-minute tutor? That's 40 more reading and spelling lessons. It's really, really simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1, learn the alphabet sound song and make a video singing it. It can be you, your children, your class, or your friends. The more, the merrier. Step 2, post it on your favourite social media platform with the hashtag #the10minutetutor. Step 3, once it's posted, click the link in the description below this video, www.the10minutetutor.com/level B, and fill out the form. Once we get it, we will email you free access to all 56 tutorials in level A and B of the 10-minute tutor to really supercharge your reading and spelling skills.